Hello everyone, welcome to our new cricket channel ABC, Analysis of Bharatiya Cricket. Today we will predict the probable playing 11 of Kings 11 Punjab. For the last 3-4 years, Kings 11 Punjab have not performed well as expected. But this year, they have got such a destructive top and middle order. Youngster Parel and Bishnoi will play important roles for their bowling attack along with Shami, Cottrell and Mujib. So let's find out how playing 11 could look like in IPL 2020 according to our experts.
The peak Jamaican universe boss will open for Kings along with Indian stylish batsman KL Rahul. Believe me, this is going to be one of the most destructive opening pairs. At number 3, Mayank Agarwal, another Karnataka batsman, is the best option. He was pretty consistent for the last couple of years. For 4 and 5, we will see two dangerous batsmen, Glenn Maxwell and Nicholas Pooran. Both of them will add much needed depth in the Kings 11 middle order. At number 6, Mandeep will be the best option as he already played finisher's role successfully in many matches. Krishnappa Gautam could be number 7 in most of the matches. Deepak Hooda could replace Mandeep or Gautam in some matches as he is a hard hitter and can bowl off spin quite nicely. Swami Bhai will be automatic choice at number 8 as he was consistent in previous edition of IPL with the ball. From 9 to 11 they have two options. If they include Mujib in the playing 11, then Bengal youngster Ishan Pore will be at 9 and 10 with him. Murugan Ashwin or young Ravi Bishnoi will be at number 11. Now, if they include Cottrell or Will Jain in the place of Mujib, then we will see both the leggies in the playing 11. According to me, this is the most balanced and destructive playing 11 of the Kings for this IPL. Now let's see the opinions of my friend Orgo.
I'm totally agreed with my mate with the main team. Now in case if some overseas main players get injured, then the question is who will take their place. Another question that will arise in Rahul's mind watching the condition of UAE pitches, that should he go with his spinners or his seamers. If he thinks of playing an extra seamer, then with whom should he go with? And what will be the team combination then? In this video, I'll try to find these answers. Now coming up to my first question. Though there is a very light possibility of Gale getting injured, but who knows? If this occurs, KXIP has Karun Nair as their backup opener. In the first years, Nair used to do so for the Delhi Daredevils, so it would not be a new job for him, or rather, we can see Mayank being promoted up and Karun has taken his number 3 position. As the replacements of Glenn Maxwell and Nicholas Pooran, they can use Sarfraz Khan and Deepak Hooda respectively. For result, they can put to play an extra overseas bowler or a all-rounder. And for that, we can see Kiwi all-rounder Jimmy Neesham or English bowler Chris Jordan in the playing 11. And if Rahul feels the necessity of playing an extra pacer, then we might see the first bowler Sheldon Cottrell or Will Jones replacing Mujib, and the rest of the team members will remain unaltered. But the biggest problem Punjab would face is the absence of the 6th bowler. Though Maxwell is an option for Rahul, but his bowling performance is not of that significant. So Punjab have to make a strategy to fill this negation. And for the Punjab fans, Rahul's red form is very important to win their maiden title. So if you are a Rahul fan, then hit like to this video and subscribe to our channel to get more informations regarding IPL. We'd like to inform you that we will suggest the combinations of the fantasy leagues during match days. So stay tuned with us, and till then, goodbye.